Customers. Are you short of customers, or do you have other sales issues? Competition. Have you lost the price competition battle? Innovative idea. Would you like to have your own brand to avoid depending on others? Private label manufacturers. Do you want to work with a private label manufacturer which offers a full service? Solution. Our team of product developers offers the best solution to you. Do you want to convert your idea into a success story? How does the process work? It is much easier than you think. Do you want to have a unique nutrition supplement? We can provide it. After contact was made, we will send you a price list containing 3,000 standard supplements, from which you can choose the product types for your own brand. To make your choice easier, you will also receive product samples from us. Our team of professional product developers guarantee that we will create the individual product of your imagination in 2 to 4 weeks. We will give you the opportunity to choose the packaging material to which our team of graphic designers will create the design. Our team of product developers will provide a precise product specification, complying with EU legislation. As the final design has been created, we sign the sales contract. After the costs of the product design, label design, packaging and advance has been settled, the manufacturing of packaging material and the products themselves can start. The production of packaging material is complete in 4 to 6 weeks. The manufacturing and packaging of the product take another 4 weeks. When the final product is ready and the remaining is finalized, you can receive your unique private label product immediately. The new unique product will improve your business. It helps you to maximize the income and to earn a substantial profit. We manufacture and deliver the product to you just after 4 weeks from the time of reorder. In case of larger quantities, the prices are even more favorable. Expand your product portfolio with new improvements. Have a market leader business. Do not hesitate to take action. We offer standard and custom developed products. More than 20 years experience in the private label market of nutritional supplements. Complete graphic design and packaging manufacturing background. All this at the best prices in the EU. We not only offer the manufacture of a final product, it also includes individual label design, specifications and packaging compatible with EU legislation. You can find many leading brands of the European food supplement market among our satisfied partners. Have your own nutritional supplement factory.